Hello everybody. We have a pronunciation question. 3 groups of words. This group, and this group. Now these 2 words, meet and meet, sound the same. There is no difference. So I will meet my friend at the meat store. Let's meet at the meat store. It's possible. But we don't say meat store, we say butcher. So they sound the same. Tier and tier. They sound the same. Tier means level and tier means from your eye. But be careful. It can also mean tear as in rip paper. So do I have any paper? I think I have. Yes. So this is a piece of paper and tear, tear. Tier, tier. Be careful. There are 2 pronunciations for this word. So if we talk about the tear from your eye and the tier level, they sound the same. Tier and tier. Okay, so not too bad. Now, these 2 are a little bit trickier, a little bit more confusing for many students. So let's start with tree, tree, tree. 3, 3, 3. Okay? Now, this is your mouth. Okay? Inside your mouth, you have your upper teeth, and you have your lower teeth, and then you have your tongue. Okay? So when you do the tree, 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 my recommendation, put the tip of your tongue right here. Don't touch the teeth. Don't touch the teeth, but keep it on that ledge. Tree, tree. So you start with a T, T, and then the tongue comes back for the R, and the R sound, the tongue is up here. The tongue doesn't touch, no touching. Tree, 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 tree. Now this, 3, 3, 3, the tongue is between the teeth, okay? So this is your TH sound. This is the TH. 3. And the tongue goes back and up to the R. 3. No touching. 3. No. 3. Tree. Tree. 3. 3. Now, there is no such word, but let me add another sound. Let's do D-R-E-E. Okay? A lot of teachers will say these sound the same, but no. Some people say this is a CH and this is kind of a J. It's similar, but try and keep it different. Keep your mind, keep your thought different. Dree, 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 dree. Here, the tongue is going to be touching a little bit higher. Okay? So this is going to be the D, and then it moves back to the R. Dree, 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 tree, 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 3, 3, 3. And if we add an S, trees, trees, threes, threes, drees, drees, drees. So it can be a very clean sound. Tree, tree, dree, dree. Or it could be more of a tree, tree. Some people do say tree, tree. And some will say dree, dree, dree. It's possible. I don't recommend it, but it is easier. So this is confusing. Once again, the black was the D, the green was the TH, and the red was the T. So be careful of the placement. This pronunciation is very important, okay? Always work on your pronunciation. Grammar is very important, I agree, especially if you're going to take a test like the IELTS or the TOEIC or the TOEFL exam, some sort of English test. You have to know your grammar. But if you're learning English to speak with foreigners, to listen to movies and pop songs and television programs, don't worry so much about grammar, but worry about pronunciation. And these sounds are very important. Thanks for the question, and keep them coming in.